All right, let's break down property valuation, a huge topic on your real estate exam. So, what's a property really worth? Well, on your exam, the right answer depends on who's asking.
To pass, you've got to master 3 different toolkits. First up is what the appraisers use.
This is a big one for homes. Basically, a buyer won't pay more for your place than a similar one.
The process looks easy, right? But watch out for step 2. That's where the exam will try to trick you. Okay, here's the golden rule. And don't worry, I've got a couple of tricks to help you remember it. First up, CBS. If the comparable is better, you subtract. It has a pool and yours doesn't, take away that value. And then there's CIA. If the comparable is inferior, you add. Fewer bedrooms, you got to add that value back in. All right, next tool in the box. This one's perfect for new builds or unique properties like a school.
Now, the exam loves this trap. Remember, land itself doesn't depreciate, so you always value it separately.
And speaking of traps, whoa, appraisal, depreciation, and tax depreciation are not the same thing. Don't fall for it. So, depreciation comes in 3 flavors. First is physical deterioration. Think of it as plain old wear and tear. Next is functional obsolescence. This is when the design is just, well, outdated, not very practical anymore. And last, economic obsolescence. This one's caused by stuff outside the property line, totally out of the owner's control. The third appraiser tool is all about the money. It's for income properties, like apartment buildings. To get the value here, you first need the net operating income, or NOI, but you have to be careful with the expenses. And here's the number 1 trap: debt service. The owner's mortgage payment is not an operating expense.
Need a quick estimate? Use a multiplier. Just remember, GRM is monthly, GIM is annual. Simple as that.
Okay, let's switch toolkits. Now we're talking about the tools you'll actually use for your clients.
The CMA is going to be your go-to. It's kind of like what the appraisers do, but way less formal.
Listen up, because this is huge for the exam. A CMA is not an appraisal. They will definitely test you on this.
This chart lays it all out. See how each one has a different person doing it, for a different reason, and for a different client?
And our last toolkit is all about one thing: property taxes. You absolutely have to know this for the exam. When you see a tax question, ignore everything but the assessed value, and don't forget to convert your mills. So, you've got the tools. The real test is knowing which one to pick when the exam asks you for value.